Welcome to my weekly Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Today's video is all about paper crafting. I'm here to share how easy it is to make a 3D project. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial, and I would love to see you shop with me. This is the super cute little box I'm sharing with you today. It is a box that is housing the Memories and More Santa's Workshop cards that I made from that lovely You Can Make It kit on page 21 of your holiday catalog. This is a piece of 6.5 by 10 inch Poppy Parade cardstock, and I am on the long side scoring with my trimmer at 1, 4.5, 5.5, and then pulling out the arm of the trimmer so that I can find the 9th inch mark and scoring at 9. I'm going to flip the paper around, and on the short side I'm going to score at 1 and at 5.5. So this is just another way of housing the super cute little 3x4 cards that you get in the Santa's Workshop cards card pack. I think the whole kit and caboodle is $59, and of course I am doing a class on this, so you're welcome to purchase this through me. I would be happy to be your demonstrator. I have a ton of unique ideas, of course. If you like my paper pumpkin videos, pretty simple, you will like this class. So you can see what I'm doing here. I'm on all of the score lines, I'm cutting up, and I'm only wedging in on the square. I am not wedging in on the large rectangle. So now that I've wedged everything out, I'm going to put glue in the center and then just pick a side where, you know, where you want, I don't know how to explain this. Okay, so there's a lid and a base. So the tabs in the middle attach to the base, and the lid is free so that you can open and close it. I'm using Tombow Mono adhesive here for the box making. I prefer a dry adhesive, but this is what I have. So it's a very nice little box. I think they call this box style pizza box, because it kind of opens like a pizza box, I guess. So I'm going to close the lid here. And close it all around. And what I actually like to do is make sure that the lid fits properly over the base. So that's the reason why I do this. And it helps to square everything up. It's not getting all wobbly or anything. So one of the little tricks that I like to do, especially with the pizza style type box, is that I will take my little paper snips and I will cut that little triangle off on both sides of the lid so that the bits don't flap out. Like the lid doesn't have those paper parts flap out. I don't know how else to explain it. That's what happens. It drives me nuts. So this is one of the Memories and More cards that can come in the card pack. Super cute. You know, of course it would look fantastic on a card, but I thought that I would use this to house my cards in, and you'll get a little sneak peek here of one of the cards that I make in the class. Anyway, thanks so much for joining me, and I will catch you again soon. Bye! Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.